Baguio, ano? Tara? Tara! Where are we going?
Heaven.
Heaven ko ako. Hi! Going to Baguio. Baguio, ano? Tara? Tara!
Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa... Saan tayo? Stopover.
Sa Jollibee.
Bida ang sarap.
What are you wearing today?
Zara, Uniqlo, Nike.
Touchdown Baguio. Yes, nasa Baguio na kami. Our Ano yung Stairway to Heaven?
Tulog na to pagdating natin.
Ready? Good luck!
Punta niyo ako dun sa... Go lang. Good luck sis! Tingnan natin kung ano siya. Tali na lang. Ah, para lumayo siya.
Yes. Look, it's so nice. The lighting is so nice. So we're here sa house. And what are you doing?
We're waiting in line for our turn.
Okay, so may sasabihin akong Batanggenyo word. Tapos yung Batanggenyo word na yon, sasabihin niya kung anong meaning.
Okay.
Ng pagkakaintindi niya. Okay, game. First word, barik.
Barik is inom.
Barik is cling. Correct. Next is dungaw.
Dungaw. Tingin.
Tingin is, or sulyap is cling. Correct.
Next.
Sampiga.
Sampiga. Sampiga. Parang sasapakin ganun.
Sasapakin o sampal is cling. Correct. Ang galing ah. Ang galing mo ah. Next word is sungaba.
Ay, sunga ba? Ano yun? Mahaba. Ducks.
Sungaba. Nadapa.
Nadapa. Okay.
Sa sobrang kalasingan niya, siya ay nagsungaba.
Ay.
Next word is kasilyas.
Kasilyas. Silyas, upuan. Upuan ba? Silyas.
Mali. Banyo.
Okay.
Next word is panhik.
Panhik is pagtaas.
Pagtaas.
Oo. Pag-akyat, ganun.
Wow. Panhik is pag-akyat. Cling.
Puman-
Babag.
Babag. Babag. Parang alam ko yung babag. Kaso nakalimutan ko yung word.
Ito, bigyan kita ng sentence. Ang magkasintahan ay nagbababag.
Nagsisex.
Mali. No, it's
Sorry.
wrong. Wrong.
Ano pala?
Nagbababag is nag-aaway.
Okay.
Is... Ay, nakikita mo.
Uy, wala akong nakikita dito.
Bilot.
Bilot. Hindi ba bilat yan? In Tagalog. Bilot, bilat. Bilot, balot.
Wrong. Ang bilot ay maliit na aso. Puppy.
Okay.
OMG, Mama is calling. Hello?
Okay. Hello, Mama.
Yes, why? So, hulaan nyo asan ako.
Nasaan ka?
Starts with letter B.
Oh.
Hulaan nyo kung sino kasama ko.
Tita.
Ay, tinat yan.
Yes, tita.
Sabi ko na pinakamagandang babae sa balat ng lupa.
Ay, correct ka dyan, tita. Yes na yes.
Ayan.
Si Joey.
Si Joey.
Yeah. Si Elton nandun sa dulo. Ano pa siya?
Okay.
Hindi pa siya nakakapagsalita.
Nagko-compose pa ng selfie.
Hulaan nyo asan kami.
Saan kayo baga?
Starts with letter B.
B.
Ano siya,
Bahay.
tita?
No.
Malamig siya na place. Malamig.
Yeah.
Very cold.
Bagyo!
Yes, you're right.
Ta-ta-ta-ta.
Loko ha.
Hi guys. So, we're here in
Camp Hamp J or Camp,
Camp
J
Jan.
High.
Camp Janhe.
We're currently looking for some drinks
Yeah.
to quench our thirst. Here's our view. Good food is all the sweeter. Parang mali yung ano. Yung... Is it wrong or is it right?
Good
Ayun,
food
fruit shake.
is all the sweeter when shared with...
Diba dapat good food,
Food
is
is sweeter.
sweeter when shared? Okay.
Oh. Who are we to judge?
Who are we to judge? Because we're perfect.
What's that? Been bike? Been broke?
So pretty here at Camp J.
Yeah.
With a
so
pretty
nice.
girl. Say hi.
Hi guys. So, we're looking for some pogi.
Let's go. Let's continue. Ayun.
Oh,
meron
there's
pa
no
ako sa dulo.
pogi. Getting coffee again with the best. Natty.
We're waiting for our tacos to arrive.
Wait, titikman ko muna yung Yema. Yema latte. And what's yours?
Caramel macchiato. Tama ba?
You hold this.
Caramel ba to?
Caramel brulee.
Ah, brulee. Yeah.
Parang sarap din yun.
Parang mas better. Parang yan yung akin. We got lost in
No,
translation.
that's mine. That's Yema.
Let's take a picture.
Okay, close mo. Close lang ako. Kami lang dapat dito. Hi, are you happy today?
Yes.
You, are you happy? Why?
Because of what happened.
But you said you loved him more.
Also tomorrow.
And always. How about you? Are you happy? Yes, sure. Uwi na kami, guys. Uwi na ako sa Pilipinas.